All right, so today we're going to talk about ions. So we've already learned a little bit about neutral atoms. So neutral atoms are uncharged atoms, right? They are uncharged, so they have the exact same number of protons, P+, and electrons, E-. So P+ is equal to E-. An example for this would be like a helium atom. Helium has 2 protons and 2 neutrons in the nucleus, right? But it also has, in the first orbital, 2 electrons. Okay? So this would be a helium atom. I would say that there are 4, the atomic mass is 4, and the atomic number is 2, and there is 0 charge because we have the exact same number of electrons as protons. Ions, on the other hand, are charged compounds. They are charged. Okay? So they either have a positive or a negative charge, and this depends on how many electrons and protons we have. An anion is an ion with a negative charge. Okay? That's what the N means. It's negative. There are more electrons than there are protons. Okay? So whatever atom we have, right, we can't change the number of protons because the protons determine the atom, determine the element, but it maybe has gained an electron. So an example for this is going to be fluorine. Fluorine has 9 protons and 10 neutrons in the nucleus. Okay? And then it's got, in the first energy level, 2 electrons, 1, 2, okay? And then in the second energy level, it's got 8 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So in this case, right, 9 plus 10, my overall atomic mass is 19. My atomic number for fluorine is 9, and I've got 10 electrons, 9 protons, so I've got a -1 charge for fluorine. Okay? A cation is the opposite of an anion. It's a positive charge. So a positive charge, it's like the T, the cation, is positive. There are more protons than there are electrons. And it means that whatever atom, neutral atom we started with, it lost an electron. Right? So anions gained an electron. Cations lost an electron. Okay? So an example for this would maybe be lithium. Lithium, right, would have 3 protons, 3 P+, and 4 neutrons in the nucleus. And then it only has 2 electrons in the first energy level. Maybe it lost that third electron that it normally would have if it were a neutral atom. So it lost that electron, and now it has a positive charge. So our overall mass, atomic mass of that atom or ion would be 7. Lithium has 3 protons, and it's got a +1 charge. Okay? So now we should be able to do our practice problems on the next page.